Hello. Come on page number 9 of your textbook. Today we will do worked example 3. Read the question and understand it. In this question we are going to find equation connecting E and N. Calculate the expenses incurred when there are 80 guests present at the tea party. Draw the graph of E against N. Solution to this question. As we know that E is directly proportional to N, then E equals kx where k is constant. When x equals 30 and E equals 210, k equals 7 in the next part. When N equals 80 and k equals 7, we are going to find E. So 7 times 80, the answer is 560. Now we are going to draw the graph when N equals 0 and E equals 0, and when N equals 1 and E equals 7. Plot the points in the graph. This was all about the worked example. With the help of this you can do question 10 to 14 of exercise 4B. Thank you.